Good morning, friends. This is our Chapter 11 math test. The first thing I want you to do is to double check and make sure that your name is at the top. Awesome. Number one, you're going to match the shapes. So you have these 3D shapes on the left side. You need to match them with an object that would be their 3D shape as well. So the first one is cube. Which one of these is cube? Cylinder, cone, and sphere. Make sure that your lines are nice and neat so I can tell where they are going. Number two, do the sentences describe a rectangular prism? Choose yes or no. A rectangular prism has 6 faces. Yes, no. Each face of a rectangular prism is square. Yes, no. A rectangular prism has 16 vertices. Yes, no. A rectangular prism has 12 edges. Yes, no. If there was a sentence that is not true, so one that you selected no for, I want you to rewrite the sentence down here, but change it to make it true. Number 3, draw lines to show fourths in each one. And explain how you know that the parts are fourths. Number 4, Hector makes 2 sandwiches that are the same size, and he cuts each sandwich into thirds. What are 2 different ways he can cut the sandwiches? This way would be your first way that he could draw it or cut it into thirds. This way would be your second way that he could cut into thirds. Number 5, draw to show halves, thirds, and fourths. So this one you're going to split in halves, this one split into thirds, and this one split into fourths. Then in this triangle you're going to color half of. In the rectangle, you're going to color a third of, and in the circle, you're going to color a fourth of. Grace wants to cover the rectangle with gray tiles. Explain how you would estimate or make a guess about the number of gray tiles that she would need to cover the rectangle. So you could either draw your estimate here, and then I want you to write. Number 7, Alex built this rectangular prism. Circle the number of cubes that Alex used. So this is the rectangular prism. How many cubes did Alex use? Number 8, Paul makes a hexagon and a triangle with straws. He uses 1 straw for each side of a shape. How many straws does Paul need? So think about how many he would need for a hexagon, and think about how many he would need for a triangle, and how many straws is that in all? Number 9, Mason drew 2 two-dimensional shapes that had 8 angles in all. Draw the shapes that Mason could have drawn. So he's going to draw 1 shape here and 1 shape here. And when I add the angles together, I will get 8 in all. Number 10, fill in the bubble next to all the shapes that show thirds. So fill in the bubble if you think that it shows thirds. Number 11, draw each shape where it belongs in the chart. These are your 4 shapes. Each shape will be put somewhere. If the shape has fewer than 5 angles, you draw it here. If the shape has more than 4 angles, you draw it here. When you're done, hand it in.